Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to unlock chat in Roblox mobile. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Roblox application on your phone. Then you want to go and click on more on the bottom right side right here. After that, you want to scroll down to the bottom till you find here the option settings. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here you have these options. Simply click on account info. After you go to account info, you should make sure that you have the phone number verified and the email also is verified. So both of them have to be verified. After that, you want to go back, go to the settings. Then now you have to go to privacy and content restrictions. Once you are in this page, you should go and tap on communication. Once you tap on communication, you should click on experience chat. Once you click on experience chat, here you can see these two options. You should toggle these two options on. Now, let's say that you cannot actually toggle these options on. This might be because you are less than 13 years of age. So you are less than 13 years old. Now, to fix this, you should go back to the settings, then go back to account info. After you go to account info, you should scroll down till you find here birthday. Then you want to go and click on this pencil icon beside the birthday, and you want to adjust it so that you can be over than 13 years old. Then you want to go and click on continue with ID. Then they will ask you to take a selfie or upload your ID in order to verify your age so that you can use the chat. After that, you want to get back to the account settings, then go to privacy and content restrictions, then go back to communication, then go back to experience chat, and here you will be able to find these two options are able to be toggled on. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.